Hello friends, my name is Shamli Tiwari and I am welcoming you to in my new video. In this series of types of forces, we have seen that contact forces and non-contact forces also, right? In non-contact forces, first type of non-contact force we have discussed, that is the gravitational force. As that video is getting too much lengthy, that's why I have taken one type only. Now in today's video we will discuss about the another type of video. Okay, let us start about the non-contact force. Okay, these are all the things we have discussed. You can see the previous videos for all this. Yes, gravitational force last in last video we have discussed, right? Now also we have seen the different characteristics of the gravitational force, right? Today's topic is electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic force is dominant on the atomic level and responsible for holding the atoms together. Have you ever observed that एक एटम के अंदर क्या होता है? Protons and neutrons are feel inside the nucleus and electrons are revolving around the nucleus, right? So as protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, why can't they attract each other? Because of this electromagnetic force. It may be attractive or it may be repulsive depending upon the type of the charge of the intercharging particles. Okay, and this electromagnetic force is showing that only the atomic level which is responsible for holding the atoms. Without atoms we cannot imagine any other object, right? Electrons, protons, इनका अगर combinations ही नहीं होगा तो how we can find out the new objects, right? How we can differentiate the objects, which is not possible. So electromagnetic force will plays very important role in that case. Also we need to remember one more thing, that electromagnetic force is long range force. It will act for a long, not that much for the gravitational force as a gravitational force, but it is the long range force. Okay, and also it is communicated through the photons. As we have discussed, photons, gravitons, all are nothing but what? As subatomic particles which are present inside the atom. Okay, photons. After this, next one we will see, that is weak interaction force, or we can say this as a weak nuclear force. Okay, weak interaction is nothing but what? The force which is responsible for the type of radioactive decay known as beta decay. जहाँ पे beta decay होता है, that type of force is called as what? Weak interaction force. Other similar decay processes also involving in the fundamental particles, and the forces acting between the leptons and the hadrons are called as weak nuclear force. Leptons and hadrons are also the examples of what? Subatomic particles. One video I will make on the subatomic particles definitely. Don't worry about that. Now the next one is the force is responsible for the beta decay into the radioactivity. This is the characteristics of this video. This force. After that, it is the short range force. For very short area it will be applicable, and it is communicated through the weak bosons, that is subatomic particle weak bosons. Okay, next one is strong interaction force. It is the strongest force in the nature and exists between the different nucleons inside the nucleus. न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो जो फोर्सेस होते हैं उनको कंबाइन, उनको बांध के रखने का काम कौन करता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटरेक्शन फोर्स करता है. दैट इज वाई न्यूक्लियंस विल नॉट गेट separated here and there. Okay, this force is responsible to keep the protons and neutrons bound inside the nucleus. Understood? ये जो कंस्ट्रक्शन जो होता है एटम का, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फोर्सेस विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो in physics, right? It is basically attractive in nature. However, whenever the distance between the nucleons is in the order of 0.4 femtometer, means what? 0.4 into 10 to the power minus 15, इतना कम जब डिस्टेंस होता है, दैट टाइम पे वो क्या होता है? रिपल्सिव हो जाता है इन द केस ऑफ नेचर, इन दैट नेचर. ओके, इट इज़ चार्ज इंडिपेंडेंट. इतने छोटे वो पार्टिकल्स इतने छोटे हो जाते हैं कि उसके ऊपर चार्ज कोई मैटर ही नहीं करता. वी कैन नॉट से इट इज़ पॉजिटिव, इट इज़ निगेटिव, ऑल थिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, दैट चार्ज डजेंट मैटर एट ऑल, इट इज़ independent of the charge. Then it is spin dependent. How particle, as particles is getting small, its motion will get increase, right? Motion increase में spin क्या हो जाएगा, बढ़ते चला जाएगा. वो spin के ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा कि कौन से तरफ कितना strong particle है, कितना strong force we are applying, atom is applying, right? The next one is, it is very short range force and it is about 100 times stronger than the electromagnetic force. We can imagine how much strong it is. Okay, and it is communicated through the pi mesons. That is also one of the example of what, subatomic particles. See here, in this total series of the types of forces, whatever important points are there we have discussed. If you are having any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. And now let us see small quiz on this. Okay, answers also I have given. If you want to understand, you can see the next slide. Yes, see what they are saying. Gravity is the force that pushes the thing away from the earth. No, it will pulls the thing towards the center of the earth, right? Towards the center of the earth. Therefore this statement is false. Next one, a magnet can attract some metal objects without touching them. Can it be? Yes, because if same poles are coming, it will repel. If north south pole is coming, it will attract. No need of actual touching there. So this one is the true. Now the harder you push something, the faster it will move. Yes, जितना ज़्यादा फोर्स हम लोग अप्लाई करेंगे उतना फास्टर चेंज होगा मोशन में इन दैट ऑब्जेक्ट, राइट? इफ़ यू पुल समथिंग टूवर्ड्स यू, इट विल मूव इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. इफ़ यू आर पुलिंग, विल इट गो अवे फ्रॉम यू? Not possible, no? Yes, so this statement is false one. First and the fourth statement is false. Second and the third statement is true. Yes, some problems we will see in the next video based on these types of forces. So till now, for the types of forces from my side this much. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.